Hello everyone. Welcome to NutriVibe. Did you know that iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional problems in the world? If your body doesn't get enough iron, it can't produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to anemia. In this video, you'll learn the best foods to fight iron deficiency and the health problems it can cause. Iron is an essential mineral that helps your blood carry oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, your organs and muscles receive less oxygen, making you feel weak and tired. Common symptoms include constant fatigue and weakness, pale skin, dizziness or headaches, shortness of breath, cold hands and feet, poor concentration, brittle nails or hair loss. If left untreated, iron deficiency can lead to iron deficiency anemia, reduced immune function, poor work or school performance, pregnancy complications, delayed growth and development in children. Here are some of the best iron-rich foods. 1. Lean red meat, one of the richest sources of easily absorbed iron. 2. Liver, extremely high in iron, eat in moderation. 3. Chicken and turkey, good animal sources of iron. 4. Fish and shellfish, especially sardines, tuna, oysters, and clams. 5. Spinach, rich in plant-based iron. 6. Kale, a nutritious leafy green with iron and vitamins. 7. Lentils and beans, great plant-based sources of iron. 8. Chickpeas, high in iron and fiber. 9. Pumpkin seeds, a healthy iron-rich snack. 10. Fortified breakfast cereals, many contain added iron. To help your body absorb more iron, eat vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, lemons, strawberries, tomatoes, or bell peppers with iron-rich meals. Avoid drinking tea or coffee immediately before or after meals, as they reduce iron absorption. Eating a balanced diet rich in iron can help prevent fatigue, improve energy, and keep your body healthy. If you think you may have iron deficiency, talk to a healthcare professional for proper testing and treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.